Mutumiriria uri nkuma Kenya wa kanisa ya New Life Church Mavueni kaunti ya Kilifi na rietwa EZEKIEL Oboki Ondel nekiri mpene ne mabisa ba borisi bandikiri kendo chunkuno irura kira kikwirikana kinyawe na ukumetia thiati bawe kiri Witikio boiko na arantu nende kathomba bakwirikana ne batete oturo kanisene YAWE yojura mangiri ya thiati kaitio no kaumungana yo IKUU kuma tuburine to Pastor Mackenzie nteresia SHAKAHOLA ni yuetite na mbere witia ranende dware MIIRI na naithirite kioyo na ukinyithe mungana yuantu na rebathatu baraba kwite Boniface Mongera aina ntetwai
MIIRI antu bange banana ni umbuli ntukuonerwa kithakene ke SHAKAHOLA rotelwa Kilifi no kithire milionde mwankira na ndega na rimwe ne thatu ote wenwe oragwatikane moyo na kwethirwa akionoko jora kurakarika aria kuringana ikundi kimuthoro mutune antu 340 mwankira nande batukwethirwa bakionekana kithakene giki shughuli ya postmortem hamwe DNA emiri 98 kethirwa kiambiria ntuku erojo aria kethirwa itongeretwe imwe tuli munene wa thirikari Bwana Johnson Oduor.
So it will take long. So that's why we are appealing for people to be patient. Even within that autopsy DNA, that's a process that can take quite a while. So people should be patient. So
jaunajo jekereka roterwa SHAKAHOLA nturene moveni rotero Kilifi pastor idroje kene mono wakanisa New Life Church EZEKIEL Ondere nedroge kirompeni mabitha bokaria komaiti ja kwirikana nyakanise yewe ntu baingi ibedrito bekwira ku.
We have arrested Pastor EZEKIEL Odero of the New Prayer Center and Church at Mavueni in Kilifi County on allegations of the deaths that have been occurring at his premises.
Nyume Pastor EZEKIEL KUGWATWA kanisa yone thire kingwa na thingatika na libo bara bokaliku vero bane kwao.
What I can call wild questioning. Fishing. When you try to fish, look for things that don't exist. That's what they were doing.
Why you arrest somebody if you have no proof? Arrest somebody if you have even one proof. Then you can ask for more investigation. Probably there will be more charges against. But from the word go, so give us time to investigate. Why you arrest somebody before this is happening to this guy?
Kugwatwa Pastor EZEKIEL naku igotumite ntumiri ogwa kiri pastor baba ingi bara bedro betumiri ntumiri shorongo na giutatino athobo wa Kenya aria atongeria mwanya bashumiretie na wakiboko ikibatere kwethiro ikenderia gwako chumbe.
That people like the so-called war of some other church should also be propped. If Yesu of Dongareni in my home is a problem, come for him.
Na kama kuna mharifu sisi tunasema kama Paul Mackenzie ako na shida na mepatikana, huyo ni Paul Mackenzie. Hata mama yake asiingizwe kwa hiyo, hata baba yake na familia yake haiko hapo, na kanisa la Bwana liachiliwe, kwa sababu huwezi kuchukua mtu mmoja na kwa sababu ulikuwa na mambo yako unaingiza maneno, unaanza kusema sijui makanisa ilifanya. Paul Mackenzie sio kanisa.
Iku maneno ntubu nande bunge senate ntukwenero ndete kamite senate 11 jabom senator Mombasa Mohamed Faki, senator Tana River Danson Mungatana, senator Hilary Kisigei, senator Tabitha Mutinda, Veronica Maina, senator William Kipkorir Cheptumo, Senator Shakira Mohamed, Daniel Wakoli, Aminda Kibwana, Richard Onyonka, Senator Ed Okech, na Abdul Haji.
And submit a report to the House within 90 days.
Ngogeao, iweta kuthungura makalike ja SHAKAHOLA, na kwethira beshokera, na mendekithiria. Na mendekithiria jira bakareta, jira tuma senators, bethira bemenye, thira kunoga robo kiwatho, bakethira bethithia kenda wikira breaks, mantwandini. Nikiripoti na Ntoshero TV kumaji karone bya bunge kingi nangine kineke mchonje Nairobi mbeta Boniface Mongera.